Yo.
I don't even record. You record, it's a bullshit.
What's going on YouTube, man? You can tell me time, man. We gonna be debadging, quote unquote, debadging my car, things of that nature. I should have thought of this goofy ass shit and this goofy ass adventure since we started. So look, we going to the store for 3 things. It took us an hour to find the 3 things in the damn store, right? Just supposed to come outside and realize a lot of we had, quote unquote, wasn't working, right? So look, let me show them. I bought this bullshit right here, gang. This bullshit right here. Went in there, we was already arguing about buying it. And this shit was $16, gang. $16. And you don't got no fucking flames in this bitch. We left the house at what, like 8 o'clock?
It's 10 o'clock, bro.
It's almost 9. Yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:45. We did that in the store for an hour, bro. We've been looking for products more than we've been working on the damn car, bro. We did get some shit done to the car, but we ain't gonna show y'all that in this video. It's gonna be a separate video and shit, but yeah, I don't know what the fuck going on no more. This man looked defeated. The hood mechanic is defeated, gang.
That shit like $2. That shit inside.
It's inside of there?
Yes, it's like $2. It's like $2.85.
I ain't gonna lie. Look and see if they got it anywhere else, bro. Cause I'm not going back inside a fucking Walmart, bro. I ain't gonna. I might have that bitch at the house, but I ain't trying to go back to the house if that shit not done.
That's literally for this shit, bro. Like,
you finna go back in there?
Nigga, I don't even feel like going back to my damn self, man.
Want me to drop you off?
Nigga told us to drop me off. What the fuck is you talking about? That bitch, it said check out Z14.
Check out
Z14.
So what bro, how much money did I already spend, bro? I spent what? How much the first time? Like,
let me get some receipt, bro. You don't get some. Nigga, you nasty as hell, bro.
What you mean?
After you finna get the cups, you get some bullshit, man.
Bro, y'all know these bitches banging, gang. Y'all know these bitches banging, gang.
This day just keep getting wilder and wilder.
You think O'Reilly's is open and they got it?
O'Reilly's, nigga?
O'Reilly's is right there. The one we went to yesterday.
Why would a mechanic stop selling this shit, though?
You don't think they would?
I mean, I
don't feel like holding this shit. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm seeing Walmart. Oh, it says price. It probably do sell that shit.
Where it say at?
It say AutoZone and Advanced Auto sell some shit like that, but I don't know if it said that for like that specific one though.
Is it open?
AutoZone?
O'Reilly's.
Let me see, bro.
I see lights on in there, but that don't mean shit.
Bitch.
Just leave fucking away. I can't believe this dumb shit. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we got some new information, things of that nature.
I want to be inside this shit.
Oh shit. Update, man. We got the torch, but we got a little distracted. I don't think it's hot enough for you to be doing that, gang. What you think?
What's coming on?
We got a little distracted by a car and shit. Y'all see that later on. I ain't even gonna say too much. I couldn't even enjoy that bitch. I feel like I'm sick and shit. Motherfucking head hurt. Motherfucker, I don't even know. How the fuck he say your car before mine?
I don't even know.
Good worker, bro. He been a good worker all day and shit. Unpaid labor and shit. Why you keep putting that hot ass torch on my hood like that though?
Man, shut the fuck up.
Man, shut your bitch ass up before I cut your dreads off right now. I don't think it's hot enough, little bro.
No, it's hot enough, but it's just this. What's in that? We can see it's working.
You telling me this $16 torch?
No, it's working. Shit.
Did you put enough in there?
No, I didn't put a lot in. I ain't gonna lie. I just put enough in. I thought I was trying to make sure I was doing it right. What's the name at?
That shit ain't hurt?
No.
With the fluid?
Yeah.
It's in the trunk.
You got the floss too?
You took the floss right there. You tell me this all that came in here was that?
No, I got the floss.
Oh, the shit right here. Y'all, it's cold as hell. I'm damn near at the point where it's like, you feel me? Like, this shit coming off.
How the fuck he see my car first?
This shit, that's what I'm saying.
How the fuck he recognize my car before?
He didn't even see that bitch yet. What else coming off? This shit come. Oh shit. That shit coming off. Where the other part at? Maybe this RT. I don't know how the fuck you can get that off with that shit. This Hemi badge. You got something on the back? You ain't got no badge on the back.
I got the Dodge, nigga.
Where? Oh, you talking about here?
Yeah.
My hands cold and shit.
Nigga, I want to be inside. The fact he letting her drive that shit is crazy. Nigga, I don't know. I never love a girl that much to let her drive my straight edge Jeep game.
Hell no.
Would you let your girl drive your scat pad?
Hell no.
I would never let.
I wouldn't let a bitch drive a V6 unless I'm recording.
She them to smack that shit.
Why the fuck is my light still on? Oh, cause your dumb ass got this door open. No, it's not. Why my dumb ass just didn't turn the light off? No, it is that door. I'm gonna fuck around my car, not finna start.
I got a jumping box.
Hopefully we good now and shit. I lied to y'all. Oh my god. Oh shit, my ass. Alright, now we should be cool. God knows. I can't afford no shenanigans today. Alright, now we cool. As soon as they asked, came over here, police was on dick.
Yeah, but I ain't getting no fuck what he was talking about. He said, what was that, your little buddy over there?
I told his ass, hey, how's it going? He said, what you say?
You think he let me try to straight egg?
I don't know. I think you got a better chance of driving the Mustang, and now at this point,
he said, y'all bought this bitch so I can.
I don't know where the fuck I put my gloves at. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I gotta set my game up, bro. I gotta pop out 392 wide body by next shit game. Like,
What you gonna get rid of this?
Hell, I gotta get rid of that shit. Pop out 392 wide body with the red seats and shit.
Bro ass can't keep a bro you can't keep a car for a year, bro.
Man,
I feel like that should be your goal, to keep a car for a year, bro. You ain't do that shit not one time yet. You got 3 vehicles.
You worry about the wrong shit.
Remember, though? Let me find we could have got a better floss. Cause I ain't going back in there, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hard working, man. That working shit. That Walmart ass ringtone. You using up all this frost for one piece. How we gonna do the other pieces, bro?
Man, it's only 2 pieces. Well, one piece and one big ass piece. Yeah.
But you keep breaking this shit.
This shit break easily.
So what I'm hearing is we should have got 2 boxes of floss.
No.
It's almost off. At this point, I think you could like dead ass just take it off. Don't you think?
How about you trying to be that?
Hell no, I feel like I'm gonna burn my hand and shit.
Nigga, I don't know why I thought that was a Mari. I'm like, what the fuck?
I thought it was a Mari too, but then I'm like, did his girlfriend get some shit?
Then I seen her shorty ass smiling out the window.
Oh God, I was
like, what? Nigga, I don't want to call my bro. That's my brother Dream fucking car game. Nigga, what the fuck y'all gonna pump out straight A Jeep? His exact words. Y'all ass broke as hell. Look at what y'all people and shit.
We got 1 S left, bro. Look at you being a good boy at work. Yo, what's up with this kid behind us looking like that and shit? Like he finna come smack somebody shit. Pop out Gen 5 with a switch. Why he revving his shit for? I think people like just be doing goofy ass shit in boo-boo ass cars, gang. What you think?
I think he needs to start clutching. That's what I think.
I think so too, gang. What you think?
Sorry, why the fuck he doing this?
I don't know. Gen 5 with a switch though. Gen 5 with a switch though. The Rango.
Man, that bullshit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when this bitch the over and done with. Y'all got 6 minutes, but I ain't really got shit for real because he kept talking shit, so I gotta edit some shit out, things of that nature. But y'all get what y'all get. Y'all don't complain. Look at that shit. What's that? Some bullshit. I lied to you. All right, y'all. We have successfully debadged the motherfucking car. You can see my shutter on this motherfucker. Hopefully y'all can hear me. 300S off this bitch. Big ass Chrysler 300s. Chill, man. This bitch took a little minute. We end up having to get for the aftermath. Took the logos off. Get this shit right here. Heavy duty rubber comment. And then we had to get this little poly wash right here. And then we use this as well. This shit right here. Goo gone. Use that shit. With a motherfucking towel, a torch, and where's the torch? Torch right up. Torch right up with some floss. Went to work, man. So I'm just gonna show y'all a quick little overview of the car real quick to see the shit down here. He pulling up in his shit. Show y'all the work that's been done, bro. So this bitch debadged, like I said. We added this little ambient lighting right here, bro, through the doors to the center console, to the back of this door. I got a whatchamacallit, I gotta retake that shit, but it's cool, you feel me? Then we took off the front license plate. That's the overall view of the car right now, man. Then we got his shit over here. His shit gonna get a clean little wash when it rains tonight and shit. We gotta take your shit off the extra sticker right here, bro. But yeah, man, that's all we got for right now. I'm probably gonna put this I'm gonna start my tent journey. I'm gonna put my tent on my tail lights, and then I'm gonna my shit since next week. You know, put my rain guards in to make a video of that shit, get some content out and shit, since our plans just changed and shit. So see what we doing, man. If you like the video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video helped you out in some way, shape, or form. And make sure y'all go subscribe to what channel you want me to link in this bitch. If I remember, I'll put both. The worst case, just subscribe to Ivory. Videos and shit. Like TVs and shit. Be posting out his little Kermit vlogs and shit. Things that they should tune into both those bitches. We out here, you bell.